Hello and welcome to my channel English with BC sir. So I hope you are all doing well and learning this language in a great way. So in this video I am going to share how to learn English language. So if we don't know anything about English language, so how should we start to learn this language? So before learning this language, you have to start your journey from basics of English grammars. We we would we would read parts of speech from English grammar. So we would read parts of speech in class from class 5 to 8, and right now we have forgotten these parts of speech, and we can't understand how to start this journey. Do we do now Right now we are thinking we need parts of speech to learn this language. Yes, we need to know those parts of speech for learning this language. How how will they help to learn this language? Because when you are making English sentences, so at that time we need to form the structure in proper way. So we should know properly these parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? We used to read in class: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. So these are the parts of speech. So we should know properly what is noun, what is pronoun. So before learning this language, observe you should observe or you should read these things. Then you can come to learn all the tenses. And when you start to learn tenses, you easily you can easily understand what are the subjects and pronouns, verbs, conjunctions, interjections, etc. So you can easily understand how to use parts of speech in for making English sentence. Okay. So apart from this, you should do this thing, and also should do practice your reading, and every day you should you try to learn something new from English grammars. So in this way you can start your English journey, and you should take a guide for learning this language, because a guide can help you a lot for learning this language. Okay. So I can't say all things in this video because it is audible, and I can't understand all the things in audible format. So when I am giving the classes, you should watch the classes properly and note down all the rules of English grammars and practice. When you get time, you should practice those things to learn this language. So before I said you have to be perseverance and patience, and also energetic. You have to be so energetic. If you feel bored, you can't learn this language. So therefore I said this thing. Okay, I hope you have got my points, how to learn this language, and how should we start to learn this language properly. Okay, so who are new on my channel, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you watch my classes, please, you when you can't understand anything, please comment on the box. Okay, I will meet you in the next class soon.